Hello and welcome to the Prem Songkran Festival. Our first activity is go to the temple and pray for good luck for the New Year's. After entering the temple, firstly, you are going to go pour water on the Buddha. Secondly, you are going to go build a sandcastle and decorate it.
And later, you go home, pour water on the elderly's hands and wish for good luck.
The last thing we do during Songkran is play with water.
Here comes the Thai New Year, Songkran is here, we sing Thai tune. Hear the beat, the tone, the hits, the feet dancing Songkran.
Enjoy the holiday, the game we play, let us enjoy. Let Songkran come, have lots of fun. Let everyone come splash all day. Oh what I say my honey lady, let come and play Songkran. Let's sing this pretty song, let's come ram-wong and enjoy Songkran.
Let's sing this pretty song, let's come ram-wong and enjoy Songkran. Here comes the Thai New Year, Songkran is here, we sing Thai tune. Hear the beats, tone, the hits, the feet dancing Songkran.
Hey guys, do you know what Songkran is?
Songkran is a water festival. Songkran is where you pour water on elders' palms and ask for blessings.
Songkran happens every year on April 13th to April 15th. Songkran is a Thai traditional celebration where you celebrate with your families and loved ones.
Suk San Wan Songkran.
Hey Gwen, do you know what special events there are on Songkran Day?
Yes, on April 13th is Elderly Day.
Oh yeah, on the 14th of April it's Family Day.
And on the 15th is New Year's Day.
Enjoy the holiday, the game we play, let us enjoy. Let Songkran come, have lots of fun. Let everyone come splash all day. Oh what I say my honey lady, let's come and play Songkran. Let's sing this pretty song, let's come ram-wong and enjoy Songkran.
Let's sing this pretty song, let's come ram-wong and enjoy Songkran. Here comes the Thai New Year, Songkran is here, we sing Thai tune. Hear the beat, tone, the hits, the feet dancing Songkran.
Songkran, Songkran, Songkran is our delight.
Songkran, Songkran, put all sorrows to flight.
Songkran, Songkran, our families to treasure. Songkran, Songkran, kindred meet together. Songkran, Songkran, a time to start anew. May you prosper and all your dreams come true. Songkran, Songkran, a time to start